Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without breaking the bank or your brain. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights, the Anycubic 4K plus resin 3D printer on the left and the Flashforge Adventurer 5M on the right. Buckle up because it's about to get nerdy, funny, and maybe a little controversial. First up, let's talk about the thing that decides whether you eat ramen for a month or can afford avocado toast: price. Anycubic comes in at a wallet-friendly $229. Meanwhile, Flashforge is strutting in at a cool $399. So if your wallet is tighter than your jeans after Thanksgiving, Anycubic's got your back. But hey, Flashforge, maybe you come with a gold-plated nozzle or something? Next, let's zoom in on those screens. Anycubic's got a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD with a resolution so high it makes your 4K TV look like a potato. We're talking 4096 by 2560 pixels of pure, unadulterated detail. Flashforge, on the other hand, didn't even bother to brag about their screen. Come on, Flashforge, what are you hiding? Is it a secret or just not that impressive? Print volume. Anycubic gives you a cozy 143 by 89 by 165 millimeter space to create your mini masterpieces. Flashforge, they didn't specify, but considering that price tag, we hope it's big enough to print your hopes and dreams. If you're into larger prints, Anycubic's got a slight edge here with a 20% larger print volume than its predecessor. Now, let's talk speed. Anycubic's exposure time is down to 1.5 to 3 seconds per layer. Quick, but not flash fast. Flashforge is hitting 600 millimeters per second with an acceleration that would make a sports car jealous. From unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes, I've had sandwiches that took longer to make. Unique features. Anycubic's got an upgraded light turbo matrix and a laser-engraved build plate. Fancy, right? It's like the James Bond of 3D printers. Meanwhile, Flashforge has a filament runout sensor, power loss recovery, and vibration compensation. Basically, it's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Oh, and did I mention it's open and well ventilated? Because apparently, it's not just a printer, it's a diva. Reviewers have a lot to say about both these 3D printers. For the Anycubic 4K plus resin 3D printer, users love its high-quality prints and fine details, though some mention the setup can be a bit tricky. On the other hand, Flashforge Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, ease of use, and versatility, but faces criticism for occasional firmware issues and a sensitive touchscreen. So, there you have it. Anycubic 4K plus resin 3D printer versus Flashforge Adventurer 5M. If you're ballin' on a budget and love high-res details, Anycubic's your new BFF. But if you're all about speed, versatility, and don't mind splurging a bit, Flashforge is your go-to. Either way, you're in for some 3D printing magic. Remember, smart shoppers, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart and printing smarter.